Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about the archery. Archery is the art, practice, sports or skill of using a bow for shoot arrows. The word comes from Latin arcus for bow. Historically, the archery is used for hunting and combat. In the modern times, it is a very competitive and recreational game. In the previous class, we have learned about the shooting techniques and modern form of the archery. In this class, we will learn about the aiming methods of the archery. Then let's see in the details. There are two main forms of aiming in archery, using a mechanical or fixed sight or bare bow. Mechanical sights can be affixed to the bow to aid in aiming. They can be as simple as a pin or may use optics with magnification. They usually also have a peep sight built into the string which aids in a consistent anchor point. Modern compound bows automatically limits the draw length to give a consistent arrow velocity, while traditional bows allow great variation in draw length. Some bows use mechanical methods to make the draw length consistent. Bare bow archers often use a sight fixture which includes the target, the bow, the hand, the arrow shaft and the arrow tip as seen at the same time by the archer, with a fixed anchor point and a fully extended bow arm. Successive shots taken with the sight picture in the same position fall on the same point. This lets the archer adjust aim with successive shots to achieve accuracy. Second one, the modern archery equipment usually includes sights. Instinctive aiming is used for many anchors who use traditional bows. The two most common forms of a non-mechanical release are split finger and 3 under split fingers. Aiming requires the archer to place the index finger above the nocked arrow, while the middle and ring fingers are both placed below. 3 under aiming places the index, middle and ring fingers under the nocked arrow. This technique allows the archer to better look down the arrow since the back of the arrow is closer to dominant eye and is commonly called gun barreling. When using short bows or shooting from horseback, it is difficult to use the sight picture. The archer may look at the target but without including the weapon in the field of accurate view. Aiming then involves the hand-eye coordination, which includes proprioception and motor muscle memory. Similar to that, when throwing a ball with sufficient practice, such archers can normally achieve good practical accuracy for hunting or for war. Aiming without a sight picture may allow more rapid shooting, not however increasing accuracy. Today we have learned the aiming methods of the archery. You practice it at home. Thank you.